Welcome to DIY Explorer. I'm Dave, your host. This is a tool review in 5 minutes or less. What we're going to review coming up is the BinyaTools Magnetic Wrist Brace.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Before we get going, everything in this video has been purchased independently and no product has been provided for review. So let's get started. As you can see, it comes in simple packaging, no extras or waste throwaway. It's an average size, fits most hands, fit on mine perfectly fine. 3 rows of magnets, 9 total. Also has pockets for non-magnetic items, as you can see from the product photo. It works on both left and right arms. To put it on, you put the loop on your thumb and just wrap it around. Fairly easy. The biggest concern I have is it is only single stitched, so after using it on the job site or projects, I'm not sure how long it will actually last. After using it for a few projects, I was quite happy that it didn't interfere with any of my wrist movement at all. I was eager to try it out with some projects, so I tried it with wood screws. It held fairly well, even bits. As you can see from the product photo, it seems to hold a lot. Tried it with larger items like bits and other items like that. Works, but not for like a large shock. They do fall off, but it was not used as intended. On Binya's website, I saw a photo of a mount to actually put it to your hand, but I could not find it for purchase and I did not have a chance to try it. So I've been using the BinyaTools Magnetic Wrist Guard for about 2 weeks now, and it works overall pretty good for like small items. If you have like drill bits, smaller size, screws, bit heads and all that stuff, it holds it on great, it doesn't fall off. The only complaint I may have about this is that it's a little warm in Tennessee weather. It's about 80 degrees sometimes, 90 degrees when I'm outside, so it gets pretty sweaty. The other thing is that it is only single stitched, and I don't know in the long term how long this will last. Love the yellow color. It really stands out. I can find it quite easily in my pile of tools. For under 20 bucks, it's a great add-on to using when you work on any small projects or any projects or the work site in general. So if you like this review, hit the like down below, hit subscribe, and we hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you for the next review and project we got coming up. Thanks for watching.